Morning, all of you. So today is 3rd, 2nd, 3rd of May or 2nd of May? And tomorrow is 4th. Tomorrow is PTM. Right. PTM means you will be coming along with your along means other than your parents. Almanac. You must have a almanac with you. Right. And I think you must be in your what called that iCard. While the presentation was happening, I was feeling so much to speak, but I forget to bring my paper. That's why I didn't able to take all these very important informations, and that is what I was roaming all around to see any rough paper. Today I didn't able to see any rough paper. So this is why I keep on motivating you to carry one piece of something, maybe a pocket diary. Stand properly. Some of you simply stand just playing with the grass. Duvi. Duvi is the name of a grass also, the girl who is having a birthday. I see keep on playing. I don't know what do you see in the grass. Do you find the color of that or do you smash it? Do you want to create gold of that green grass or what? If I start from this side, I think some facts related to eyes have been spoken. I remember, huh? Something related to dogs and eye sights, no? Dogs and? Do you know there are certain videos, suppose somebody who is having a problem related to color blindness. Do we have any child here? Color blindness? Okay, only one child is having. Okay, no problem. So, sometimes how to check color blindness, there are certain videos through which you can see and may be able to know. This is not a problem, but yes, you should know it. The interesting fact about this is, about the color blindness is, suppose if you see something which is not there, that is also a symptom of color blindness. Did you understand what I said? Sometimes there are certain patterns which somebody who is having a color blind will be able to see it, though in reality it may not be there. That is something very amazing I got to know a few days before. And what was spoken, I think word of the day. Word of the day is, just raise a hand those who know that. Just hands I want to see. A little upper hands. My God. It is resilient. If I can memorize it without having anything with me, then so word of the day is resilient. And today your class teachers, though they have already assigned you a perfect character as far as duty responsibility is there, but I want you all, whichever small assignment or responsibility you have been given with, I want that to be played perfectly. Clear? I know that some of you are word of the day in charge, some of you are thought of the day in charge, some of you are importance of the day. By the way, what is the importance of the day? Nobody knows. Raise your hand those who know importance of the day. Okay, one bright child to whom I have given a medal few days before. Very good. Okay, good number of hands. This side, nobody, amazing fact that nobody from this class knows that last one. Ninth, what is, B. Nobody knows from 9th B. Amazing fact of the day. So what is the sorry, what did I ask by the way? Importance of the day. Speak it loudly.
National Space Day and
Radio.
And radio.
Radio. Have you seen radio? How many of you have seen radio? I'm not talking of radio jockey. Okay, you have seen radio. How many channels are there in that radio? Lot of channels. Which is the most clear channel? Clear in the sense that you can hear whatever announcements or no name of the Ganganagar channel or FM 83 point this hertz or what? Okay, next to you is every time talk. What did you speak? Nothing? Yes. Okay, you? Amazing fact. Who is going to tell me amazing fact of the day? Was it amazing? Yes, very good. The one girl only, no, two girls. Two girls. Even Akshit also. Akshit, come. Tell me what is amazing today. Amazing factor. Akshit, you also raise your hand, na? Anybody from 9th A or 9B? Amazing fact? Nobody. Now 9th A is also coming into that. 8th A, 8B? 8th A, do we have some? Oh, no. Do you tell them here only? Somebody who is so near doesn't know. Anybody from this side? Anybody from class 8? My God. So your focus is in, I think, preparing what you need to speak next. He is the only child who is raising hand for everything. This boy also, yesterday I met this boy and I have given him a title that scientist of the class. Come. And just by watching him, I have asked my class teachers just to nominate one child, whichever child, whosoever the child, that nomination will be happening, it will be for a month. Because we don't want once a child to keep on wearing that cap. Speak. Okay, the magic is lying in his pocket diary. That is why I keep on saying, please break the pocket diary.
AB negative is the rarest blood group.
What did I ask by the way? Amazing, huh? AB negative is the rarest blood group. That was one. How many by the way you have spoken? 2. Second one? Hey, do you know second one? Oh, very good. Come. Second one, now you can write, right? Anyone who is having AB negative blood group? On that day I have seen one child having AB negative blood. Come. Why are you going? Achha. Nobody is having AB negative blood group. Somebody who was having O negative blood. Achha. No, AB negative. First of all, AB negative. Please, class teachers or coordinators can give me a number along with their child. These are the rarest blood group. And O negative? O negative, so many. O negative blood group also we want. Yes. Speak from this one. Speak. Tell amazing fact.
AB negative is the rarest blood group.
And second, there are 2 amazing facts spoken. One you have spoken or 2? 2. He's only one child. You also know. So why you people raise your hand? Anybody who knows can come forward. He is a brilliant boy. He listens everything here. Brilliant boy. This boy knows everything. I don't know. He is a Google boy of BPSG. You can give him an advanced clap because he knows everything.
The second fact was dogs and cats are colorblind.
Dogs and... No, that was... Did you speak that? No. Google boy? What happened?
But one thing I know that clownfishes eat their own eggs.
That's good. But I am a little interested in knowing what was spoken. You can speak. Nobody knows today. You know? No, that was not the amazing fact. You can repeat your amazing fact from this.
Fingernails grow faster than toenails.
Nails. Now do you know that? You have nails 2 places, or 3 places? This nails and? So which nails grow faster? Fingernails. They grow faster, right? Next to you, what did you speak? Moonlight. What is the percentage of moons? I think there was a child. Adhiraj spoke. 77 you spoke. 7% only. Is it 7%? I don't know. Yesterday, I don't know, is there any child who spoke the humidity today? Humidity, who spoke? Your voice was not clear. Now tell me, how much humidity was spoken? 35. Yesterday again it was spoken 20, day before yesterday also. I checked it somewhere, it was around 40, more than 40. From where are you getting all these informations related to humidity? I checked it, I was doubting yesterday also, it is more than 40. Okay, Adhiraj, why are you laughing? Who spoke? What did you speak? Paryayavachi. What is today's Paryayavachi Shabd? Ag means? Agni means? Pavak. Pavak. Very good. And Pavak means? Anal. Pavak means Anal. Okay, Pavak means Anal. And Anal means? Jwala. Okay, Jwala means? Okay, now over. Okay, good. So Jwala, Agni, Pavak, Anal and Ag. Shashi. Shikhi. Okay, Shikhi also. Very good. What did you speak? Panchang. Okay, you? Number fake. Look, this clever girl of the day. She should be given a cap of cleverest girl of the day. She spoke, you multiply any number by 3, it will be divisible by 3. What is amazing there? If one side you are multiplying by 3, then of course it will be divisible by 3. This is what the befooling facts are there. Okay, but she spoke one good fact also. Any child? I will be catching them from this side. Second,
I don't know the facts.
how I know? I was wandering here and there. Even then I know. Today I missed my pick. Which one?
6 is the smallest perfect number.
That was not spoken, I guess. It was spoken. Good. Acha, what is perfect number? No. Smallest perfect number is 6. And 100 rupees chocolate for the second perfect number, if you will tell me. Second perfect number is 28. No, 28. But what are perfect numbers? What are perfect numbers? Again, chocolate I don't have. Anybody who will be letting me know what are perfect numbers? No. What is it? How do you know that this number is perfect? Padampur girls. Every time they are doing something. Anybody who will be telling me what are perfect numbers, you come, you have to take. So whenever you bring the information, you must be clear. What are perfect numbers?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, I am telling, suppose 6 is called the smallest perfect number. Like 6 is divisible by how many numbers? 6 is divisible by 1, of course. 6 is divisible by 2 and 6 is divisible by 3. So 1, 2 and 3. If you add up, what will come? So any number, those numbers are called perfect number. The divisible of those numbers when summed up, that becomes same. Right? Clear? How many of you got this clear? 28 I said it is the second one. Why? Because 28 is 1, 2, 4, 7 and 14. If you add up, it will become 28. Clear? Very good. She spoke 2 and 5 also. She spoke about 2, 5 also, na? Why I am feeling that I am the intelligent child of this whole assembly? Because I know the maximum. I should give my name title as a Google person here. I know the maximum. 2 and 5, this girl spoke about 2 and 5 also.
2 and 5 are the prime numbers. That and 2 and 5.
Very good. 2 and 5 are the only prime numbers.
And say 2 and 5.
No prime number ends up with 2 or 5. That's what good. Good. And you spoke? Bharat Jano. Very good. You? GK question. Anyone who remembers even a single GK question? Okay, good. Very good. Huh?
What is the city of wind?
Chicago, eh? Ganganagar I spoke. I was standing there. I spoke Ganganagar. Ganganagar is a city which is a city of wind. Every time wind flows unnecessarily. News headlines. How many news headlines she spoke? 3. Whenever you bring headline, I don't even recollect even a single one. But day before yesterday, while I was hearing news, it was spoken about narcotics, drugs, got trapped somewhere. News is something where you may be able to utilize that information in any kind of competitive question. I don't think you will be finding any competitive question in which it will be asked ki 2 days before on a day like this, narcotic drugs or what amount was being caught. Can you expect this question in any of the competitions? So whenever you are bringing the news, let it be something like a news. What did you speak? Sunset and sunrise. Day before yesterday I was watching the moon. Here it was. Today maybe behind the clouds. And I got surprised ki why these wrong datas these children are bringing. I don't know from where they are bringing sunlight hours and moonlight hours. Suppose right now moon is there. Will you be counting that time as the moonlight hours also or not? I am asking to you people, Arpit and you. Will you be counting? And sunlight hours you will be counting? So, the question is yours now. You? English thought. What was the English thought? Any child? Any child? Nobody? Okay. Nobody knows English thought. Speak the thought once again. Speak the thought. What?
Cultivate resilience in adversity, for it is key to turning setbacks into opportunities for growth and success. Thank you.
My God, that's why they are not remembering. Hannah, it's a very lengthy thought. You, what did you speak? Proverb. What is the proverb of the day? Don't put all the eggs in one basket. Right, good. Wind speed, how much? 11 miles per hour or what kilometer per hour? You spoke well, I think. What did you speak? Significance, yes, you spoke well. What did you speak? Question of the day, I didn't understand. Anybody who knows the question of the day? Repeat that question. Next to you is, what did you speak?
If you describe something as indescribable, haven't you already described it?
Use this one.
If you describe something as indescribable, haven't you already described it?
These are not the question, these are the sentences where one may find a lot of churning of the brain, I think. Something which is indescribable, once you describe it becomes describable. Very good. But is it a question of the day? You, next to you, Adhiraj, who is hiding? Hey, what did you speak? Hindi Suvichar. Speak that Hindi Suvichar. It's a very lengthy one, English. Let us see the translation.
प्रतिकूल परिस्थितियों में
प्रतिकूल परिस्थितियों में अच्छा, it was learned for 10 minutes. The life of that learning material was 10 minutes. Now it is expired. Okay, no problem. Next. Anchoring, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anchors were good.